Hi dear students, I am Sneak Kumar from KVM Education Channel. Dear students, today I am going to talk about the syllabus of second term, right? There will be syllabus plus structure, right? Of 2021 and 2022 second term exams for medical and non-medical students. So I am going to start. Dear students, first of all, if we talk about math, then here is the structure of it. This paper will be of 2 hours and maximum marks will be 40, right? And the question paper consists of 11 questions divided by 3 sections. 11 questions, 3 sections. 11 questions and 3 sections, A, B, and C. Section A, 5 questions, 2 marks each, right? B part, 3 questions, 4 marks each. C part, 3 questions, 6 marks each, and next to it. Now if we talk about the marks from each chapter, first of all there will be determinants, integrals, application of the integrals, differential equation है, three-dimensional geometry, linear programming, and here are the marks to mark the number of questions carrying 2 marks and 4 mark carrying questions, and how many questions are of 6 mark question and from which chapter. There will be 11 questions and of 40 marks, right? If we talk about the English syllabus, dear students, in the intensive study, we have the lessons The Story of My Life, Two Gentlemen of Verona, Celebration of Being Alive, and Gadri Babas in Kala Pani Jail. And if we talk about poems, Father Returning Home is the first one, The Road Not Taken is the second one, and On His Blindness is the third poem that will come in the term second 2021-2022 Punjab School Education Board exams general English, right? The lessons for extensive studies are the gold frame, very nice chapter. Barber's Trade Union is an also good chapter. The bull beneath the earth is the third one. If we talk about the grammar, then we have use of non-finites, voice, and translation and retranslation, right? If we talk about composition, there are precis writing, letter and application, explain newspaper, airlines, and email writing, right? Here is the structure of marks and paper, right? Voice is of 2 marks, non-finites of 2 marks, translation 1 mark, Punjabi to English is of 1 mark, precis writing 5 marks, letter writing 5 marks, explaining newspaper headlines or email is of 3 marks, and there are 2 marks for good handwriting. If we talk about chemistry students, here is the pattern evaluation scheme for chemistry second term exam of 2020 and 22. The lessons are solid state 6 marks, alcoholic, haloalkenes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, organic compounds containing nitrogen, biomolecules, polymers, and chemistry in everyday life, right? These are the marks that each of them contain. The most important ones are solid state and haloalkenes and haloarenes. Total questions are 17 and total marks are 35. If we talk about the biology, dear students, we have the structure and the marks. How many marks come from which lesson? in biology and human welfare. In lesson 9, strategy for enhancement of food production, we have 3 marks, and microbes in human welfare, we have 5 marks. In biotechnology principles and process, we have 5 marks. Biotechnology and its applications, we have 6 marks. Organization and population, ecosystem, biodiversity and conservation, and environment is the 16th lesson. Now, here we have 35 marks total in term second biology exams. We have structure and in how many marks questions come from which lesson, which part section. Now, in computer application students, we have computer application term second paper pattern, 30 marks question, 2 hours. All questions are compulsory. Question paper consists of 9 questions, 2 marks question 4. In B section, we have 4 marks each, 4 questions, and C section, we have 1 question, 6 mark. The chapters are classes and objectives. Chapter 6, construction, destructions and function overloading, inheritance, information and technology. So we have 30 marks total paper. The 12th lesson, the chapter ninth, information technology is the most important because here we have 12 marks from this. So that's all, my dear friends. See you in my next video. Please subscribe the channel before leave. Bye.